Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add extra protection to your Telegram wallet. So if you want to add extra protection to your Telegram wallet, here is how you can get it. Click on this three line icon at the left top corner of the screen, then you click on the wallet option. Okay. Once you do that, then you click on this banner which is add extra protection to your wallet, and under this you have an option to set your passcode, and that is one of the best way to add extra protection to your wallet. So we're just going to click on this banner. Let's click on this banner that take us to another page where we can set up the passcode level. So I'm just going to click on enable. As I click on enable, so you have an option to include 4-digit passcode, and also there's another option here, passcode options. So you click on it. Right here you can see the default passcode is just 4 digits, so you can decide to customize it by just clicking on 6-digit code. Once you click on 6-digit code, then the option for you to include more than 4-digit code added to the space, the digit passcode. So I'm just going to include a random password, just 1 2 3 4 5 6. Once I do that, then done. Kindly be your phone like and thank you.